Before we get started, let's check out the links in my description. We all want nice things. We want the car, we want a house, we want a high limit credit card. But if you don't have at least a 680 credit score, you're not even in the game. So click this link here to know where you stand and get your free credit scores from all three bureaus. That will be Experian, TransUnion, and Equifax. And also get your reports. If you would like to be free and become financially independent through entrepreneurship, click this link here to be free. If you'd like to get cash back, which is a discount during shopping, please click this link here to see my favorite cashback sites. And if you enjoy the music you hear in the background, please click the link here and subscribe to It's Oasis. Hello everyone, welcome back to Community Wealth. Today I'm going to do something that I haven't seen done before on YouTube, and if it has, I haven't seen it, okay? But before we get into that, if you would like to know your FICO scores and what's in reports for all three bureaus, Equifax, TransUnion, and Experian, click the credit monitoring link in the description below. If you would like to make $500 to $1,000 plus per week on your time utilizing your vehicle, click the Wealth Dasher link in the description below. If you don't have a car, you don't want to use your own, click the Wealth Hire Car link in the description below, and along with the Wealth Dasher, you can still make $500 to $1,000 plus per week on your time. If you'd like to know how I got 5 properties for $5,500, click the Be Free link in the description below. If you would like to get cash back while shopping online, click the cash back links in the description below. Now, if you would like to make money while driving for Walmart Spark, you can click the Spark Driver Wealth link in the description below. Now, let's go ahead and get into this. What I'm going to do is I'm going to apply for 3 or 4 products from Navy Federal at the same time. Well, it's not going to be at the same time, but it's going to be simultaneous. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply for 2 credit cards. I'm going to try to refinance my auto loan, and I'm going to apply for a personal loan. I think I'm going to do the personal loan first. Then I'm going to do the refinance and the credit cards, okay? I'm not sure if I'm going to do it in that order or not, but let's see what happens, all right? Okay, you see here with the personal loans, a personal and home improvement loan. Get access to the money you need when you need it. Secure the money you need. All right, so what you would do is you'll go up here, you go to the loans and credit cards. Boom, you're going to hit the personal loans. All right, so it goes over what the personal loans is. You got the terms, you got the personal expense loans, simplified financing for unplanned and planned expenses up to 36 months, 7.49 to 18%. Good for auto repairs, moving, relocating, vacations, and other major purchases. And $250 to $50,000 loan amounts, okay? 37 to 60 months is 14.79% to 18%. Home improvement, pretty much the same rates. Great for home repairs, remodeling, efficiency upgrades, no collateral required. $25,000 minimum loan amount for 61 to 84 months, and $30,000 minimum loan amount for 85 to 180 months. Here are the terms here: 36 months, 7.49 to 18%. 37 to 60 months, 14.79%, 18%, 61 to 180 months, 15.29 to 18%. Okay, so I guess they give the shorter term period, I guess they'll give you the least amount. You would figure they'll give you the least amount for the longer term period, but whatever, okay. And debt consolidation loan. Simplify your finances by consolidating high interest debt at a competitive fixed rate. Affordable monthly payments, $250 to $50,000 loan amounts, okay? And that's up to 36 months, 37 to 60 months, all right? And you got savings and secured, fully secured by your Navy Federal savings account and all that stuff, okay? So the one that you would really want to do per se is the home improvement and the personal expense loan. The debt consolidation They probably want to see what you have so you can consolidate, and they probably just give you the money strictly for that. But the personal and the home improvement, once you get it, you can pretty much use it for what you want. I'm not sure how the debt consolidation really goes, but I know usually with the debt consolidation, they pretty much get in contact with the finance company, or you got to give them the account information, and they then use that and cut the check. So I believe that's how that works. All right. But I'm going to go through that in a second. So let me go over here to the auto loan. Okay. This is auto loan refinancing. Earn a bonus when you refi today. So you get $200 for refinancing your auto loan if you approve it, right? So easy application process via our mobile app or online. Low monthly payments, competitive low rates, 24/7 access to a stateside member rep. Okay, refinance your car loan from another lender with Navy Federal may help you lower your interest rate, decrease your monthly payment, or pay off your car loan sooner. On average, our members save $62 per month by refinancing their auto loan with Navy Federal. That's more than $700 per year in savings. Okay, so I want to do that. They say the new vehicle, you get 1.79%, 2.19, 2.29, 4.89, and 5.59. Okay, that's 96 months for a new vehicle, right? So late model used vehicle, I believe that's what I would have. Late model used vehicle, I got it 2019, so it's 2.19% for 36 months, 37 to 60 months, 2.29%. This is probably what I'll fall in line right here, 3.79%. They don't have it longer than 72 months. All right, so I think mine is 70 months anyway, so this will be perfect. So I get 3.79%. That's the lowest. All right, I don't know if I'll get that rate. Right now, my rate is like over 8%, like 8 point something percent. So if I can get even down to 5%, that'll be dope. I don't know if I will or not, but we'll see. All right, if I can get this will be awesome. But especially with the interest rates going up, as far as with the Feds doing all that, I don't know how that's gonna work. All right. So, like they say, late model used vehicle years model 221, 222, and 223 with 7,500 to 30,000 miles. Okay, so used vehicles 2020 and older model years, or any model year with over 30,000 miles. The vehicle 20 years or older based on the model year. Okay, so I will fall in this category then, because I got over 30,000 miles on my vehicle. So I'll be down here. So let's look at that again. That's pretty much the same. So with the with the used vehicles, it's just the lowest is 3.79% period. So this will be fine. So I'm assuming hopefully I'll be somewhere in the 5%. If I get approved, you got to get approved. So we'll go along with it with the refinancing. Okay. So I'll go here and so this is the basics of refinancing your vehicle. So again, that's up here with the loans and credit cards. See, auto loan, boom. All right, so get on the road to lowering your car loan payments or paying off your car in no time. This is what you will need to do. Review your current loan. You know the terms of your current loan to determine how much you can save. How much do you owe on your current loan? Are there any penalties or fees for paying off your loan early? You have the car loan documents you may need. I got all this stuff. I actually saved it to my laptop once I went into my loan. I went into the loan website because I'm with Jam Financial, as most of you know. So I went into there and I got the loan payoff amount. Okay, and it is around 14 days. So actually it's a 10-day loan payoff amount. That's what I got. The lender's name, the lender's phone number, and your phone and your loan number. So I got all that. Calculate your savings. On average, our members save $60 per month by refinancing their auto loan with Navy Federal. That's more than $7 per year in savings. Okay. So you can apply now. Apply to refinance lender using the information from step 1. If approved, the lender should help you through the process of paying off your existing loan and transferring your car's title. Ready to get started. Okay, so that's what I would do with that. All right, I'm not ready to do that yet. And the credit cards I'm going to look at, I'm going to be looking at possibly another cash rewards card, and I want to do this more rewards. I want to do this one. Use the credit cards. I'm going to look at the more rewards and the cash rewards. I already have a cash rewards Visa, but I'm thinking I can try to get that cash rewards MasterCard. All right, where we at right here? So this is the more rewards. So I think I already got a cash reward, so I'm gonna try to get the cash rewards MasterCard, and then I'm gonna try to get this one here, this American Express more rewards. I'm gonna try to get this here. All right. So I'm gonna go with these applications. You're gonna see me go through them, and we'll see how this goes. Okay, I'm gonna try to do this as fast as possible because I know it's gonna log you out at a certain time. So we're gonna start with the personal loan first. So we're going to click apply now. Okay, so let me go ahead and open up this refinance application. So auto refinance application, this process is quick and easy. As part of the loan agreement, you will need to provide Navy Federal a certificate of title or other proof of ownership reflecting Navy Federal as first lien holder and you as the registered owner. If this is not received within 3 months, Navy Federal will convert your loan's APR to the higher APR for personal expense loans with no collateral. Okay? Sounds like a deal. Sounds like a deal. Before you get started, you will need the 17-character vehicle identification number, the exact mileage on the vehicle, the state the vehicle is registered, the following lender information: name of lender, lender's phone number, your loan number with lender payoff amount. Okay. Sounds like a plan. So I can do that. Then I want to have the credit cards ready to go. Right, so everything's ready to go, so let's get started. Personal loan application, enter loan amount. Just gonna go for the gusto. We'll do 50,000. Okay, we're gonna go with the full 60-month term. So I'm gonna go next. Applicant information, contact information, phone number. Okay, so we're gonna go with phone number, email, employment information, other monthly income. Okay, so we're gonna go with this. So I'm gonna fill this out. We're gonna come right back. Okay, so this right here is just confirming. Okay, please read carefully. By continuing with this application, you give Navy Federal Credit Union permission to obtain a consumer report to evaluate your creditworthiness. In addition, you authorize any person to provide Navy Federal with information concerning you that may be relevant to the evaluation or reevaluation of this application. All right. Unfortunately, your request for credit has not met Navy Federal lending criteria for approval. You will receive a notification by mail. address record within the next 5 to 7 normal mail delivery days, which will provide explanations for the decision. This letter will also explain the appeals process that you may initiate. Okay, so that's that reference number. So let's go with the refinancing. I'm going to go with individually. We'll start off with the VIN number. We're going to do the VIN number, the mileage, and the state. Alright, so we're going to do this, and I'll be right back. So we're going to go with the lender name, the lender phone number, loan number, and payoff amount. Alright, so we get to this part. So your total loan amount has been calculated based on the information provided. Review this carefully before selecting your loan terms and clicking continue. Okay, so got the payoff amount. This is what it is, and I'm going to do the 72 months. So here's my information here: phone number, contact, home ownership, type of employment, and all that good stuff. So, okay, so this right here is the confirmation. So we're gonna go ahead and do this here. This is the same thing as before. Fortunately, we are able to provide you with the final rate at this time. Once the review of your finished application is complete, a final rate will be determined. Please click continue. Alright. If approved, your payment will be within the following range. The upper range includes our optional loan protection products. I'd rather go with this right here. I'd rather go with this. Hopefully I get it. That'll save you at least about $100 a month. Right now I'm at $672. So that saved me over $100 a month. Alright. So we'll go with the continue. I'll go with the gap insurance. It's good to get gap insurance because with gap insurance, if something happens to the vehicle and your vehicle is devalued, it'll stretch it out so you will get the rest of that money if something happens. So it's not a bad thing, you know. Receive and sign documents securely and electronically. Complete everything online. This will allow you to immediately view, print, save, or electronically sign your promissory note and disclosures. Once electronically signed, a copy of your promissory note will be available online to view, save, and print for the life of the loan. Your funds will not be available until all parties have signed the promissory note. You will only have 16 days to sign the agreement before the loan is canceled. You would rather wait 5 to 7 days for mail paper documents or pick them up at a branch. I'll do the e-sign. Let's see. I'll do it right now. Document delivery, receive. Okay. Delivery of loan proceeds, delivery options. How would you like to receive your loan proceeds? Pick up at a branch in the U.S., pick up at a branch overseas. Delivery options. How would you like to receive your loan documents? I'll pick it up. Loan repayment information. Your first full monthly payment is due on or before 5/23/2022. You have 38 days to make your first payment. Okay. Repayment options. How would you like to repay your loan? Automatic account transfer by mail. Okay, so with the application for the refinancing is under review. If it does get approved, my first payment would be due May 23rd. I added the gap insurance, as you saw, and that's just in case anything happens to the vehicle. It'll cover the gap between what the current value is and what's owed. And also, it might boost my payments every month because it's $3.99, but that's for the full 60 months or 72 months, how much it was. And it won't boost it that much. They don't know what the interest rate going to be yet or anything like that, so that's going on with that. So now I'm going to go ahead and try to knock out these credit card applications. Now I looked at the applications, so it may be a little different because with the credit card applications, the information is already there. All right. So I might go through this real quick because all my personal information is right there on the screen. So you'll just probably see the credit cards I'm going to apply for, and then that's it. And we'll go from there, right? Okay, as you can see, this is the results from my more rewards. I didn't get approved, which is fine. I mean, you're not gonna see every video where everything goes according to plan, and I got denied for the personal loan. It looks like I may get approved for the refinancing of my auto loan, and now here we go with the rejection of my more rewards card. And they're telling me to apply for the reward, which I'm not going to do that. I don't need to do that. And then we have this one. So now you see that they received the application for the cash reward. There wasn't an instant approval, which I've never got an instant approval for anything. Even when it came to my credit limit increase, it wasn't an instant approval. It took a few days. So I don't know where this is going to go. I have no idea. I have no clue. So hopefully it does get approved. I don't know, but this will be my second cash rewards card. So it's not an outright denial. They just said they'll review it as soon as possible and they'll go from there. But again, this is me applying for all 4 products: the personal, the refinancing, the 2 credit cards. And so far it's looking like that, you know, I'm going to get 2 out of the 4, which is cool. That's 50%. It's 50%. And now update once I know what's going on with the refinancing, which will bring my auto loan to $120 less than what it is now. And well, it may depend on the interest rate. And if I can get another cash rewards card, which I have a cash rewards Visa, so I'm assuming this will be a cash rewards MasterCard. All right, and hopefully it's another card over $5,000, so that way I'll have a World MasterCard. But anyway, hope this helped you out. Thanks for watching. If you would like to know your FICO scores and what's on your reports from all 3 bureaus, TransUnion, Equifax, and Experian, click the credit monitoring link in the description below. If you would like to make $500 to $1,000 plus per week utilizing your vehicle on your own time, click the Wealth Dasher link in the description below. If you don't have a vehicle or you don't want to use your own vehicle, then click the Wealth Hire Car link in the description below. And that way you can hire a car and use that vehicle to then Wealth Dash and make $500 to $1,000 plus per week on your own time. If you want to know how I got 5 properties for $5,500, click the Be Free link in the description below. And if you would like to get cash back while shopping online, click the cash back link in the description below. Like, share the video, comment below, subscribe to the channel, subscribe to It's Oasis, and until the next video, let's get this money.